So the Ray-Ban Metas are very popular types of glasses. They're taking the world by storm. And I want to go ahead and show you exactly how to go ahead and use your Ray-Ban Metas. Now, I'll go from the beginning to the end. You should hopefully know how to use these particular, glasses for the most part completely by the end of this video. Now, this is the case that they come in. So if we take a look at the case, you have an LED indicator light right at the front. So you can see right here, whenever you go and lift the latch up and you're charging it, you'll be able to see this light. There's nothing on the left and right side. It looks basically just like a normal type of case. You have your power button at the end here and a sync button, which you can hold down to go and allow this thing to sync up. And you also have your charging port at the bottom as well. So you can easily go through and plug in your particular port if you want to, and you can go ahead and charge up your case just like this. It's good to charge up your case as soon, whenever you can. It'll go and allow you to kind of, let this thing be charged all the time. And then you can go and lift the latch up like this, and then you have the glasses inside of it. Now, the glasses themselves, the case is a very interesting situation kind of, because what it is, right, you have the glasses. Inside of the case itself, you have a little indicator right here, this little charging cord. This is what charges up your glasses. So kind of keep that in mind. This is what you're going to connect from the bottom part of these glasses right here. So this part right there connects to right there. So just one big thing to kind of keep in mind. Sometimes people get a little confused about it. But as soon as you do that, you have your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So now you're basically almost good to go. We can move the case to the side and we can examine the glasses a little bit more. So on the exterior, there's a couple of really key important things to keep in mind. Number one, you have your lenses here. Then you also have your cameras and your sensors at the front. So there's a camera and then there's a camera. At the top, you don't really have much going on. But at the bottom, like I said, you do have this particular indicator right here that charges up your particular, glasses from the case. On the back side, you'll have your arms that look like any other Ray-Ban glasses. When you lift these things open, this is where things get a little bit interesting. On the left side of the arm, you're going to have your power button. This is what you're going to be able to use to power on or off your particular glasses. So you basically slide this little button forward or backwards to turn it on. So I'll slide it forward for now. Now, when I do that on the right side, you'll see that there's the indicator. This basically is a little LED indicator that shows you when your glasses are actually on or off. It'll go and blink at you if it's needs to be charged or if there's notifications, it changes colors. So you do have that capability there. You have a little Meta logo right there. And at the very top, you have some speakers. So you have speakers right here, right next to your particular glasses. So when you wear these things, you can kind of hear them and kind of see them. Now, putting these aside if they're on, what we can do now is we can go ahead and download the Meta AI application. And this application allows us to go ahead and basically use our glasses and connect our glasses to our phone. So what we can do is we can download the Meta AI app and we can go ahead and open it up. When you do that, you'll come into this type of page. What you want to do is click at the bottom portion right here, and you want to click Add a Device. So what we want to do is we want to give it access to our Bluetooth. So click on Allow, and you want to choose which type of glasses you have. In this case, I'm pretty sure I have this one, so I'm going to click on these ones, and it's going to tell me to remove the tab to begin inside of the particular case. So what we want to do is we want to remove the protected tab at the bottom of the case, set up to your glasses properly, leave the glasses inside of the case so they can power and charge. So we're going to want to go ahead and basically go through, click here, and you'll be able to see that these particular devices will come up like this. So I'll click on here, and it should go through and allow me to connect right inside of my devices, just like this. So I can click on pair, and as long as your glasses are charged up and everything, you should be good to go. Now, sometimes you might get in some issues. You might have to put your glasses in the case and take them out again or keep them in there. Sometimes you might have to go and kind of fix it that way. But in this case, they're going to connect. It's going to scan for some Wi-Fi connections. In this case, I'll just skip it. And then in this case, it tells me to put on my glasses. So I'll go ahead and put on my glasses in this particular case, but I'll still be able to kind of tell you exactly how they hold up, like this. So you might be able to hear it, but basically it's just going to tell us to kind of follow these tutorials on how to go ahead and look and use our glasses. So it says press the capture button once. So at the very top, there's a capture button. So if you look at the very top right here, there's that little capture button right there. So you just want to go and tap on this right here. So you can go and follow along with that. So it allows you to go and take a photo and kind of utilize, this type of thing like this. Then it tells us to go through and press and hold the capture button. So that is going to go ahead and basically go through and allow us to go ahead and start recording a video. So now if we want, we're basically recording a video right now. It says press the capture button again, and it will stop the recording. If you've ever used anything like a MetaQuest, it's kind of fairly similar to that. Now there's a touchpad on here as well. So there's a touchpad right there. So you can go through and touch the touchpad that's on the side. You can go through and increase the volume, decrease the volume. It really just depends on what you want to do. And you can increase the volume by swiping up, and you can decrease the volume by swiping down. Then after setting it up, you're basically good to go. So now your device is basically set up. You're essentially good to go for the most part. Now, within your Meta, you can kind of say exactly whatever you want it to say. You can say, say, hey, Meta, you can do whatever you want to do there. And you can go and use your device as you normally would. And then you'll be able to see your Meta AI device come up in this particular way. Now, within your Meta glasses, for the most part, we kind of just hit on the exterior, the capture button that's at the very top. So you do have this capture button where you can take photos and videos. If you hold it down, you're going to be able to take a video. If you click on it one time, you'll be able to take a photo. And then you also have that touchpad right here that allows you to kind of configure it a little bit more. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and basically download videos or photos that you've taken on your Meta. Well, what you can do here is go back inside of your Meta, application, just like so. And what we want to do is we want a little breakdown on these particular, this application now. So at the top, it'll tell you your battery life of your particular Meta glasses. It'll show you some settings you can change. If you see this little import option right here, this is how you can go through and take videos or photos from your Meta glasses into your particular device. So what you can do here is you can go ahead and click on import right here, and it says local networks need to be accessed, so it just needs access to your Wi-Fi. So go ahead and click on allow, and you want to go ahead and join that particular Wi-Fi connection that basically comes up, and it will allow you to go through and download those particular photos or things like that that you basically took here. So you can see if you want to, you can go and download those particular photos or applications or videos that you've taken. And that is something that's actually really cool that you have the opportunity of kind of doing there as well. Now, another thing you can do here is set up reminders. So if you want to be reminded of something in the future, you have the capability of doing that there as well. And, for the most part, you are getting like a lot of, features built inside of your Meta just like this. Now in the top right corner, another very important thing is our settings option. So we can tap right into here, we can come right into settings. Now, if you want to go ahead and update your Ray-Ban glasses, you want to go ahead and click on the updates button, which is right there. So tap right into here, and you're going to be able to go through and update your glasses whenever you need to. So you can tap right into here, and you should be able to go through and update your glasses whenever you want. So that is an option that you have right there. Clicking on the back button, you have your general settings. So if you want to go ahead and click on about, you have that capability. If you want to force restart your glasses, you can click on force restart. If you want to unpair your glasses or factory reset, you can do that right within the settings in this particular panel as well. Clicking back, if you want to modify your Wi-Fi connection settings, you have that type of capability right here as well. You have your different Meta experiences that you can kind of modify here as well. So you can click on Meta AI if you want to change up your Meta AI preferences. You have your communication right here if you want to mess around with your communication settings. If you want to add WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, or Instagram, you can go through and basically connect and plug and play all these types of options right within here for your glasses as well. So it makes it a lot easier to kind of maneuver around and kind of use. You also have this media option right here. It allows you to go through and modify your video settings, whether you want them to be 3 minutes long, 60 seconds. You can't just sit there and record forever. It allows you to go and do it in kind of increments as of that point. You can also go through and do a media quality check, so you can get alerted for certain things. Your auto import while charging. So while you're charging your device, it'll automatically import media into your actual gallery here, which is really, really cool. Clicking back, You have your audio and media settings. So if you click on media, again, this will just get you into the same thing that we just talked about. And then you also have your privacy, security, and Be My Eyes over here as well. This is also another really cool thing. It says, basically allows you to kind of have somebody there, like it's almost like Apple's fall detection. It's kind of the same thing here, which is actually really cool. So at a high level, that is basically how you go through and use your Meta, if you use your Ray-Ban Meta glasses, half of the stuff you do is basically within the application. The other half is basically how you maneuver around with your glasses. Now, a big thing to keep in mind here too is to charge up your glasses whenever you're done with them. Just be very careful with them because you don't want to get them, wet or anything like that. But you can charge them by just putting them back into the case like how you took them out. So take your glasses just like this, and right where that tab is right at the very front, you want to align your glasses in just like this, and they'll kind of just click into place. So you can see that this is basically how they're supposed to be in there, just like this. And you can go ahead and basically plug these things in just like this, click them into place, and you should be good to go for the most part as of this point. So that's essentially how you do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.